how to fix the glitches and bugs with your Minecraft application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can fix the common bugs and glitches with your Minecraft application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is tap and hold on to the Minecraft application logo and then click on this app info. Now within this it will open your device settings, and here are some different things that you can try. So first, what you can try is simply go to the storage usage, and then from here click onto this clear cache option. So once you will clear cache, try relaunching the application and check if the issue or bug has been resolved. If not, you can try to force stop this application by clicking onto this force stop button, then again click on to force stop and then try relaunching the application, and hopefully it might work. Also, if that even does not work, you can try uninstalling this application and then reinstalling this on your mobile device, or also try rebooting your Android device and also making sure that both the Minecraft application and your device have the latest Android or application version installed in them. And hopefully one of these will resolve your bugs or glitches issue. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.